Hey everybody, welcome to our Derby 88 single box of National Treasure number 78. The last thing that ended was the Edmonton Oilers on 747 East at 7:47 on September 9th. So we finally got NT back. So let's do a few cases. So let's refresh the time. So it's currently Friday, September 19th at 10:35 Eastern Time. Let's refresh once more. 10:35. Alright. Let's go to serial number for today. So we are opening from a fresh case. And for tomorrow's break, number 79 has been posted. So I'll show you guys the serial numbers from this break that will be used. And I'll show you the box that will be used for tomorrow as well in this break. Alright. Let's go over the case first. National Treasure. Seal. Alright. Good luck. NT. Let's move these back. Alright. Let's do this box for today. Serial number NE 206 00190. And let's do this one for tomorrow. So this is the number 79. 1906 96945. Alright, and the last two serial numbers. NE blocked 110. And NE 1906 96214. Alright, so let's show you the shrink wrap on this one that I just pulled. I'll show you guys the serial number once more. 206 700 190. Alright, good luck everyone. So number 79 has been posted, and be sure to check out K-Set's breaks. Message K-Set for details regarding his live breaks on Sunday with some mixers. So those are going to be pretty nice. Mystery packs. And a T-beam. This here. Alright, let's start off with our printing plates. So we have Thomas Kubalik for the Columbus Blue Jackets from Donruss Elite, the yellow plate. And we have a yellow plate of Sidney Crosby for the Pittsburgh Penguins, yellow plate as well. Very nice on the Donruss Elite as well. So that's a pretty good start. Crosby's always nice. Alright. So we start off with the base of Dougie Gilmour for the St. Louis Blues. Card number 121 of 199. St. Louis. we have a dual memorabilia autograph of Brian Leetch, New York Rangers. Card numbered 14 of 25. So this is the patch version. We have a pretty nice hit. So we have a duals autograph for the Detroit Red Wings of Stefan Weiss and Corey Emerton for the Detroit Red Wings. Card number 71 of 100. 71 of 100. And we have a normal Magnus Helmworth, the Timelines autograph. Card numbered 9 of 99. So Nashville Predators. And we have a Centuries, just the normal jersey version. Jacob Trouba. No autograph. Card numbered. Come on, camera. 63 of 99. And we have a matchup, which will be random, between the Pittsburgh Penguins and New York Rangers, Mario Lemieux and Mark Messier. Card number 89 of 99. And we have a redemption. Redemption is Dave Andreychuk, NHL Gear autograph. I'll have to check what team he's on for this one, because he's on several teams. So I'll do that after the random. And we have a book for the Washington Capitals. Tom Wilson. Let's hope it's the patch version. Oh, it's 35 of 99, so it's the jersey. No auto. Oh, it's an auto one too. Washington Capitals. And we have a Don Cherry. Don Cherry and John Tavares. The New York Islanders. Cherries. And we have a pretty nice, it's not an ARP, but it is a rookie national treasures. A 2 of 5 Reebok of Darcy Cooper, Minnesota Wild. Card 2 of 5. So we didn't get our ARP, but this is what counts as our ARP. So we have a random to do. And I have to check to Dave Andreychuk. See what team he's on. Pretty sure he might be on Tampa Bay, but I'm not exactly 100% sure and don't want to risk that. Guess so. I'm going to do the random first. Alright, so we are doing a random for the Pittsburgh Penguins and New York Rangers. Mario Lemieux and Mark Messier. So, 3 times. 1, 2. Final time, team on top wins the card. 3. And the winner is the Pittsburgh Penguins. Randomize this list 3 times. So, congratulations, Pittsburgh. Alright, now let's find out what card this is. What team? Oh wow, he's actually Buffalo. NHL Gear autograph. Alright, so Dave Andreychuk, card number 15, Buffalo Sabres out of 99. So this is the NHL Gear. Card number 15, the redemption. It's card number 15. Yeah, there's a lot of Dave Andechuk's here. See, he's on several different teams, so if you guys had any disputes between other people. So he's on Tampa on this one. Let's see what other ones he's on. Buffalo, New Jersey. Wow, New Jersey, Buffalo. So it's on a few teams. So this was a Buffalo hit. So that concludes our break. Thanks for watching.